Home remedies for forming sagging breasts. Every woman wants to have a perfectly shaped breast throughout her life. Sadly, this is not possible in most cases. Breast sagging is a natural process that happens with age, where the breasts lose their suppleness and elasticity. Though saggy breasts usually start happening after a woman reaches 40, it can occur earlier. Apart from age, other factors that causes sagging breasts include breastfeeding, pregnancy, menopause, a rapid weight loss or gain, strenuous exercises, nutritional deficiency, and wearing a poorly fitting bra. First, exercise. Those with saggy breasts must incorporate exercises in their daily routine. Exercises that target breast tissues and pectoral muscles around the chest can help a lot to add firmness. Some exercises that can effectively lift up and form sagging breasts are chest presses and pulls, arm raises, roundabout push and pull, and dumbbell flies. Second, ice massage. Ice massage is also considered very effective to regain firmness in sagging breasts and uplift them. The cold temperature will cause the tissues to contract, in turning making the breast appears firmer and more lifted. Take 2 ice cubes and massage them in circular motion around each of your breasts for 1 minute. Dry the breast with a soft towel and immediately put on a proper fitting bra. Stay in reclining position for 30 minutes. Do this at regular intervals throughout the day. Third, olive oil. Massaging your breast with olive oil is an excellent technique to form sagging breast. Olive oil is a rich source of antioxidant and fatty acids that can reverse the damage caused by the free radicals and prevent sagging breast. Plus, it will help improve the skin tone and texture. Put some olive oil on your palms and rub them together to generate heat. Massage gently for about 15 minutes to increase the blood flow and stimulate the cell repair. Follow this remedy at least 4 to 5 times per week. Fourth, cucumber and egg yolk. Another excellent remedy for lifting the breast is a mask prepared from cucumber and egg yolk. Cucumber has a natural skin toning properties and egg yolk has high level of protein and vitamins that can help treat sagging breast. Pour 1 small cucumber in a blender. Mix in 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of butter or cream to get a paste. Apply it on your breast and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off thoroughly with cold water. Use this mask once a week to firm and strengthen the breast tissues. Fifth, egg white. Egg white is also good for sagging breasts due to its astringent and skin nourishing properties. The hydrolipids present in the egg whites lift loose skin around your breast. Beat 1 egg white until you get a foamy texture. Apply this onto your breast and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Wash it off with cucumber or onion juice, then with cold water.